You are in Malta, you are with Captain Leeu on a catamaran. I'm thinking I want it. And this is ix-Xini. Not a lot of people come here. That's good. I like sailing. I always tell people, you're awesome. And you know you are. You can achieve anything you put your mind to. Well, I am gonna put my mind to buying my next boat. Testing out a lot of them, and I'm gonna show you a lot on this channel. Welcome back to the show, guys.
Yeah, welcome guys.
We are so close to 10,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. We are 500 people away.
This close. Please subscribe.
We're just in the marina where we are making an offer on the boat that we want to buy. What you're watching here on YouTube is us busting our asses, getting enough money to do that.
For those to this point.
Yeah, to get to this point. So for those of you that are on Patreon with us, thank you so much. And you see the uncut, longer episodes, and you know where we are. For those of you on YouTube, we respect your time here. We keep it as short as possible. Enjoy this episode, subscribe, and please help us to get to 10,000. And we'll see you around.
See you later.
Come, we're gonna do the anchor.
What?
Lesson 101, how to pick up an anchor. Open this. Yeah. Perfect. Take the remote. This one we can put here, like that. And now press up. Doesn't want to work. I wonder why. Let me check inside. I'll be back. Yeah, perfect. Always look at the chain, eh? Okay. Oh. Okay, down. Now. Look why it's doing that. The chain at the bottom is needing to go to the side. Yes. More. Push it to the side. All of it. Yeah. That's how you do it. Okay, now up again. Good morning. You are in Malta. You are with Captain Leeu on a catamaran. And today I'm gonna just show you what it's like to be on a catamaran. I'm always on sailboats. Today I'm on a big beautiful lagoon, and her name is 77, not 007, 77. We don't have a lot of wind. We're actually going into the wind right now. As you can see the flag, the wind coming straight from where we want to go, as it is with sailing. But I'm going to show you around the catamaran, and I'm going to show you where we are. This is the island of Malta. This is Valletta. This is where we left, and we're currently heading out all the way north. And this is Camino, and that is Gozo. We'll pass through here, and in there, right there, is a small little place called ix-Xini. Now ix-Xini is also where Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie lived for a long while they were shooting a film, and they ate at this restaurant, and for now everybody likes to go there. Why? Because they want to sit on the same chair that Brad Pitt sat at. Have fun with me today, and remember, you're awesome, man. We've reached Camino. Camino's here on our starboard side, and we're motoring at about 8.5 knots, which is amazing with a catamaran. It's really fast. We're having veuve clicquot, and we're having some nice biltong. And what you can see, yeah, so Camino, there's nobody that really lives here. On your port side you have Malta, and then on the front to the starboard side we're gonna reach Gozo. I have a little sailor with me today.
Yes.
He's a very good sailor, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he sails very, very good. He knows all the systems. He knows port side, starboard side, and he sails on weekends. That's very cool. Coming into ix-Xini now, very, very narrow. Navigating with a catamaran is a little bit hard. So what I do is I put the rudder at 12 o'clock. You can see that on the autopilot. I will lock the rudder and I'll just go in with the 2 engines. You have a lot of maneuverability. Better than a sailboat for sure. For me, you can move the boat like almost 180 degrees or 360 degrees just on one spot. Take some practicing, but definitely something you can do. Okay, so just around the corner there is the restaurant where Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie frequented, I was told. There is a swimming line there that you cannot go further, and going in here is really tricky. You need to have some sort of skill to get in and out, but I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do it. Sometimes the heartbeat goes up a little bit. That keeps it interesting. And I literally have like half a boat length on each side. So coming down here, I have the wind behind me, which is a little bit tricky to come out then again, but we'll figure it out. So the client wants to go to shore, but we don't have a dinghy on deck. We're trying to figure out how we're gonna do that. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at this blue water. It's amazing. And this is ix-Xini. Not a lot of people come here. Welcome. It's as close as I can go. My guests are getting on a little rope, which is pretty cool. These people are helping us out. And I'll go anchored in the back. Very nice. So now I'm just literally turning the boat in one place. I'm like just literally standing still. I've got the port side engine back, this one a little bit forward, and it's just turning like that in one place. And then I'll just put forward. As easy as that. With a sailboat, that's probably not possible. And there they go. And that's the little restaurant. Really cool. And I'll be all alone, got the boat to myself. So we're anchored just as you come into the mouth, guys. Just a little sailboat there to our port bow. And these guys behind me has done a mid mooring. You can see the line there at the back, which means they put the line from the stern all the way to the rocks and they tie it up and the boat will stay in that position. That's really the best thing to do. I'm kind of lazy to do it right now, and also my clients will probably be like an hour, hour and a half. And it's a lot of effort. And the water is so clear that with your Polaroid sunglasses you can actually see the anchor go down on 16 meters and touch the bottom. I just really like this space on this thing, man. Every day when I'm on charter with sailboats, when the clients are off or they're swimming or whatever, it's kind of you're in their space always. This one has so much more space. There's a fridge there, very nice seating area. We just had some champers and Bolton. Coming inside, beautiful nice area. And the starboard side you have a nice big bunk here, very nice, double. What I like is that you can see the ocean down there. Isn't that cool? It's pretty neat. You have a big head and a shower that I can fit in. Big toilet, big space. Coming down, going forward. This is pretty cool. You can lie on your bed right there and you can look at the ocean. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And it has its own ensuite, shower, the little hatch, and that's really nice. And here you have your own toilet. Both the rooms on starboard and on port side have their own shower, own little toilet. This area I like because when you're making food, you can sit here and visit, you can look out the window, chart table, another fridge, fridge number 1, fridge number 2, fridge number 3. Very fun. And then on the port side it's exactly the same. Nice big bunk, very nice. And once again, you can see the ocean. And nice big shower. So exactly the same. I'm not going to go through the other side as well. You saw it on the port side. Very nice catamaran. I'm thinking I want it. What do you think? Catamaran, sailboat? Guys, I've never seen something like this. I just asked this kid to help me. I didn't film it. But I got the one brother to get the anchor up for me, and the other little guy took the boat out of Mġarr. He engaged the engine when I told him to. I showed him with my hand where to go. He did exactly that, and now he is sailing the boat out to the Blue Lagoon. Good job!
Thanks.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, no. I love sailing.
You love sailing?
I love sailing.
That's good. So where are you taking us now?
Now to Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, so it's there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just there. Guys, this water is so blue. So this is the attraction here in Malta. Everybody always wants to come to Blue Lagoon. And I found this really nice spot that you can come through this rock. Usually the boat will go around there and then it will go and anchor there, as you can see all the boats there. But I come through that little spot there and I anchor right here in the Blue Lagoon. Like literally 9 meters here, and I'm pretty sure you can see the sand through the lens. Isn't it just so amazing? Lots of people today. The best time that I think you should come and do a charter in Malta is definitely with me. Kind of towards the end of October, end of September, because then there's a lot of people that's left already. Nice and spacious. Let's go swim. So my little friend here says he loves biltong. He says, I like that meat of yours.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes, a lot.
A lot?
Yeah. Bellissimi, Leo. Now there are lots of waves.
To help you with the waves, go left. Go into the waves.
Ah, yes.
Go into the waves.
You got that sailing.
Yes.
I'm a little bit
Perfect.
tired.
Okay, no problem. Now that we're in the wake, you can go forward again, straight. And it's much better now.
I go here with the bug. I go behind this.
Dankie Biltong boys, het was een fantastische dag hier buiten op je see. You like that? En jullie biltong met ons aan die brand en aan de gang gehouden. The guy is taking us in here without the steering. I'm not touching the steering. He's turning the catamaran from that all the way to starboard side. Look at that! He knows exactly what to do. It's amazing. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Coming in now where all the rich boys have their toys. We're in Valletta. It's really nice. I really like it. And to your left you'll see some helicopters on the roof and stuff like that. But there's also a lot of sailboats here. So these are all €1 million apartments. For sure. Look at that nice sailboat. Black one. Very nice. So I'm going to take you guys in a little bit and then we'll turn around and come back. So turn the boat around for me. Turn it now. Yes, perfect. A little bit more back. Yes. See, now you're turning nicely. Yes, nice. Perfect. And now go forward. Perfect, good job. Now we're gonna go out there and we're gonna go to port side and we're gonna drop the people off. Another amazing day on the ocean. Wasn't the sail just so beautiful? I mean, blue water, went to ix-Xini, I showed you Valletta, and this is just a beautiful, amazing place, guys. I've been thinking, if I can sail and live on other people's boats and make money out of it, is that a good option? Or is it better to have your own boat? What do you think? Comment below. From me, Captain Leeu, I'll see you next time. Remember, you're awesome and you can overcome anything you want. See you next time. Salut. Guys, check this thing out. Check this thing out. Look at those foils on the starboard and on the port side. That's a few $1 million drifting right there. Wow. Shockwave. What an amazing thing. Wow, beautiful. I want to sail on that thing. The evening is just so beautiful, man. Okay, at last we are in cheeks. Chicken Valentine. Beef cheeks sounds nice. Please don't put my head under the water because I don't want the chloroform on mine. Okay, so how far do we still have to walk? It's unbelievable. It's so beautiful. This place on the river. Look at this.